Fighting corruption in the city of Cape Town means that next time I walk into Manenberg, there's a bullet waiting for me.
U-Adams uthi uzibandakanye nezombusazwe ngoba ekhathazekile ngezinga lobugebengu kanye namaqembu emgulukudu eKapa. Uthi-ke kodwa wayengazi ukuthi uzithela isisila njengoba sekuvela sengathi ubexambukela kumsebenzi wamaphoyisa naku-IDEC.
My engagement with these institutions was not confined to reporting complaints. In my capacity as a Member of Parliament, I also exercised parliamentary oversight by posing questions, participating in committee proceedings.
Uthi uDrushantha Ramsemi waqamba amanga ngaye kule khomishana. Ucele ikhomishana ukuthi imcele ayidlale yonke ingxoxo eqoshiwe eyabe iphakathi kwakhe noJohnson ukuze kuzocaca ukuthi kwenzekani.
I asked that you subpoena that recording because I've emailed IDEC, I've asked for the recording, they've not responded.
Usola uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngokuzibambela umthetho kanti uthi nesithangami sakhe sabezindaba sanyakenye sasichaza ukuthi uzibona engaphezu komthetho.
This man runs amok. He's a law unto himself. In my view, Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi's conduct demonstrates an attitude that he's above the rule of law and that he may make statements without appropriate restraint or accountability. I further contend that such conduct is inconsistent with the standards of discipline expected from a senior police officer.
Uzichithile izinsolo ezenziwa ukhomishana wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal zokuthi ungabanye babantu abasebenzisana namaqembu emgulukudu.
When General Mkhwanazi makes the assertion that I am a hired gun because I laid charges, I need you to understand, Chief Commissioner, that this is something I've been doing for years. That where I see possible corruption, I will report the crime and step off. And on my phone, I actually saw now the other day, one of my cases, I got a response from SAPS, there's no merit to the case, I'm sorry, we've got an Ollie prosecute. I'm okay with it. I'm not here to make the decision. I'm saying, please look into this. That's all I'm asking.
Kuphele usuku lonke lwanamhlanje uAdams efunda istatimende sakhe. Ukusukela kusasa uzobeke esephekwa ngembuzo ngokhomishana.